guys, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to delete all messages on your Facebook Messenger. So guys, if you're new to this channel, do well to tap on the subscription button, hit the notification bell to notify anytime I upload a video. I do videos on app related issues on how to make money online. So what you have to do here is to open your Messenger this way, tap on the chat you wish to delete. Then you can tap steadily on that chat, see more, tap on more, select remove, then tap on remove. But if you want to delete your own chat, tap on the chat. Let me say this chat now. You want to delete all your own message. Tap on it, your own chat, what you typed by yourself. Just tap on it, tap on more, still select on send. When you select on send, it will be on send on the messenger, or better still, you can go back, tap steadily on that chat. When you tap steadily on that chat, complete chat and the person's name, you will see options of you to delete the chat. When you tap on it, everything on that chat will be deleted. But if you wish to delete all your message on messenger, what you have to do is to tap on the three dot at left corner of your screen, tap on settings, then look for report technical problem, tap on it, tap on report anyway. Okay, you say, would you like to include complete log and diag list? Okay, tap on include include. Now you can write please delete all my messages. All my messages on Facebook Messenger. Then you can send it. You can now say what's the problem related to. They said chat, so tap on chat, and then after typing on chat, you can feel free to send a message to. Okay, you can tap on the send here. You have to send this. It's the information about your device account and this app will be automatically included in this report. Okay, so this message will be sent to your the messenger, and they will work on it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload videos. Thanks for watching.